Hey everyone, welcome back to the SoftRevz. Today I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful AI tool that takes your content creation to the next level. This AI tool is not just limited to creating images of characters, you can also make videos. You can use it for face swapping in images or in the video section. Alright, the AI tool is called Apob AI. You can upload a picture and generate a digital doppelganger or AI avatar. Then, you can generate videos or images in different settings while keeping that avatar consistent. To get started, click the link in my description and then click Launch App. When you click Start Create Now, you'll be asked to log in. You can use your Google account to create a free account. Once you're logged in, you can scroll through the community feed for inspiration from other users' creations. When you're ready, click Create Portrait Model in the middle. Here, we have two options. You can upload an image of your character, or if you want the Apob AI to build a character for you, you can use the AI Influencer Generator. I'm going to upload my image. Make sure the image is clear and well lit. Avoid blurry or crowded images. So let's say I want this lady as my character. After uploading, I named my model. You can add a description if you want. Now, hit Create your image model. After that, you'll see the interface with your model. You can even change the name later and choose to make your model public or private. On the left side, you'll see more options like image to video face swapping, talking avatars, complete set image face swapping. We'll try all of these later, but first, let's generate some images. You'll notice some pre-generated templates. I'll choose the realistic one, and for the location, we have options like a private jet, museum stage, a bustling city, a gym, or a library. I'll go with the bustling city. Then set the age to middle-aged and pick clothing. I will choose overcoat and then choose a weather. Then hit generate. Here are the output images. They look very stylized and I love the look. It's that easy. You can also download it. And you can generate video with this and upscale it. Now, I go back and choose the casual clothing. Hit generate. And you can see the results. It creates a set of images based on your avatar in different settings. You can easily create a complete set of images by selecting from various options like travel, London, Turkey, India, or even trending categories like anime style, LinkedIn headshot, nature, adventure, fitness, nightlife, sports, and more. Let's say I want street photography. I'll simply choose it, hit generate, and check out the amazing results. It's that simple. The AI generates high-quality images in seconds, offering incredible detail and variety. Now, for those who want more control, there's expert mode. Here, you can type in specific prompts for what you want. For example, a woman wearing a red jacket sitting at a coffee shop, and add a negative prompt. Things like blurry etc. that you don't want in the image. Choose an aspect ratio and hit generate. Look at these. The level of detail is incredible. Image face swap feature allows you to easily swap faces in photos. To use it, upload the image you want to modify, select a model for the face swap, and click generate. The AI will seamlessly replace the face while preserving key details like expressions and colors, delivering impressive results in seconds. Now let's move on to one of my favorite features, video face swap. You can upload any video and swap the face with your avatar. I'm going to use a video of a woman. Just upload the video, select the model, and select Ultra Quality for the best result and click Generate. Here's the final product. Notice how the face has been subtly swapped with my avatar. It's super cool. Ever wanted to turn a still image into a dynamic video? The talking avatar feature allows you to bring an image to life with your voice. I uploaded an image, recorded a short audio clip, and within seconds, Apob AI synced the voice with the image.
If you spend your whole life waiting for the storm, you'll never
Find a comfortable place to lie down.
It's a bit surreal seeing an avatar speak, but it opens up so many creative possibilities.
If you're excited to give it a try, click the link in the description and get started today. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon.
Ever wanted to turn a still image into a dynamic video? With image to video, Apob AI makes that possible. I uploaded a photo, clicked generate, and now I have a short video clip of the person in the image smiling with their hair blowing in the wind. The transition is seamless and perfect for social media posts. Finally, there's the AI Influencer Generator. Here, you can create an influencer from scratch by selecting attributes like age, gender, hairstyle, and even personality traits. No need to upload an image, you can build an avatar entirely from the settings you choose. Alright, that's a wrap on Apob AI. From creating avatars to swapping faces and generating entire influencers, this tool has so much potential for both content creators and AI enthusiasts. If you're excited to give it a try, click the link in the description and get started today. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss my next video.